My name's Benji Meltzer. I'm from Aerobotics, the CTO of the company. So we help farmers manage their crop through pest and disease monitoring. We use drone and satellite imagery and process that into actionable information. Yeah, it's been great. It's really eye-opening, cool to see kind of the amount of innovation happening locally, and yeah, a lot of interest. It's been good. So the drone essentially gives you a really efficient way to image an entire farm. Typically that's done at the moment by walking through the crops on the ground and sort of blindly surveying the farm. And the value we add is in taking this imagery and turning it into information by, one, identifying each individual tree, and further sort of showing a farmer tree by tree where the problems are. So identifying a sick tree and then giving the tools to walk out into the orchard, diagnose exactly what the problem is, and come up with some sort of preventative action, be it spraying or better monitoring or management throughout the season. Aerobotics is glad to be participating in the AI Expo.